Hello and welcome, everyone, to our YouTube video unveiling the latest must-have products for the modern gentleman. Curated from Aliexpress and Amazon. Get ready to discover a world of sophistication and practicality tailored specifically for real men. Without further ado, let's dive into this exciting showcase. The new system of tools for fine work, which includes controllers and a number of devices, airbrush, as well as a miniature sander, hairdryer, engraver and soldering iron. With it you can create craftsmanship, decorate anywhere and whenever you want. Just connect the battery controller, and any of the tools. System tools are connected to the controller with a flexible power cord length of 1 meter. Since the battery is separate from the tool itself, these devices are lighter, compact, more convenient to use. The control switch on the adapter allows precise speed adjustment, brushless motors, and the engraver features more power and longer runtime. The mini hairdryer and soldering iron are always ready to go as it heats up in seconds. The airbrush makes the kit truly unique. Who is thinking of doing some tuning of the exhaust system, namely installing a can of exhaust with a nice bass? I do not recommend doing this, because it is forbidden by law and almost every day you will be fined. However, there is a much better option by installing an electric damper. It will also have a growling exhaust only when you need it. Well, the biggest plus of the electric damper is that it will help you avoid being fined for excessive exhaust as opposed to a can. Wood Rasp is designed primarily for the manufacture of various furniture and products with organic curves, and unique tool whose blades consist of several metal blades similar to knives, but with teeth aligned on both edges. The double-sided saw blades of the Rasp have coarse teeth on one side and fine teeth on the other side. One side of this Rasp is coarse for shaping and rapid removal of large quantities of wood, and the other is for finishing. The teeth are positioned all the way to the edges, which makes working in the corners very easy. The change wheel for wood is a uniquely consumable tool for angle wood sander, equipped with a circumferentially stretched saw chain. The wheel is designed for cutting wood and wood materials, milling, modeling, stripping wood of bark, and cutting out cups and logs for log houses. Suitable for very high processing speed, which develops angle grinder. When using this disc you do not make any changes in the construction of the grinder, and therefore the disc can be used safely. The sander is a versatile and practical tool, and an indispensable assistant in the interior decoration and repair, for the use of both amateurs and professionals. The 1.500 watts motor has a high performance which allows you to easily cope with the sanding of the walls. The ability to adjust the speed of rotation allows you to select the optimal mode for each work operation. The sander has a low vibration level, thanks to the well-balanced body components. The 4-meter-long mains cable enables you to move freely during work. And this is an indispensable thing nowadays, a car smart mirror from Xiaomi, with video recorder and a bunch of interesting features. In general, after reviewing many models and reading a lot of reviews, I realized that this is the best of all the proposals. I was bribed by the fact that it looks like an ordinary rear mirror, and there is not even a hint at a DVR. And the work of the DVR gives a decent image, even at night and in cloudy weather. Link to the mirror as well as all products from the video in the description. In recent years, simple first aid remedies for punctured tires, tire sealants, have become increasingly popular. This is a special liquid that is poured inside the tire and seals the puncture from the inside. After injecting the fluid, you should drive a couple of kilometers at a low speed, within 50 kilometers per hour. In this driving mode, the fluid will distribute evenly on the inner surface of the tire, which will eliminate the imbalance of the wheel. The electric milling machine belongs to the line of tools for domestic use. Compact body and powerful electric motor will allow you to work effectively under the wood. This model is equipped with a speed control up to 30,000 RPM, which contributes to a perfectly clean surface of the product to be made. Convenient design of the milling depth setting allows you to quickly readjust the depth of thread plunge. Paper tape drywall joint gluing tool with corner roller, complete with electric double-sided applicator, which allows you to apply paper tape to both the inside corner and the plane. Our drywall paper tape applicator tool is used to apply pudding tape to drywall seams in one step. The nozzle is easy to change, does not require much effort to clean the hopper from the mixture. The tool saves time by allowing you to apply a uniform layer of putty over the entire surface to be treated. The putty feed is controlled by the handle. The tool for manual sanding of wooden workpieces, and not only thanks to the convenient adjustable design, it is possible to change the belt, which makes the bar indispensable and durable. There is also the possibility of using a belt with different gradations of grain. Apply only one bar small size, and relatively low weight allows you to use the bar in the most remote places. This bar will be an indispensable helper not only for experienced craftsmen, but also will take a worthy place in the home workshop. The paint mixing auger makes it possible to evenly mix the paint and measure out the necessary amount in long-term storage. Old paints have the tendency to reduce the homogeneity of their in order to obtain a perfect homogeneity. It is necessary to stir the paint gently and evenly. The lid of the screw can vary in the volume of the paint can. The screw is made of high-quality steel, resistant to corrosion and to solvent. The robust mechanisms of the tight lid allowed me to work as quickly and efficiently as possible. The auger ensures smooth mixing to protect against paint segregation. But the chain sharpening attachment make your chainsaw as sharp as when you bought it, saving time and labor costs. The jigs are used to sharpen the chain teeth at the correct angle, and the sharpness of the teeth guarantees high performance of the chain, as well as quality effective work. The fixture is simply indispensable as correct sharpening of the chain will ensure accurate and safe operation of the whole tool to use when sharpening with a round file. The small size of the fixture allows you to take the template with you and enjoy the most necessary moments. Longitudinal edging trimmer is a manual device for double-sided edging trimming. The trimming is performed simultaneously on both sides, with a width of up to 40 mm. If you need to trim an edge width over 40 mm, the device can be dismantled and used as two separate trimmers. For convenience, the body is marked with an arrow to indicate the direction of movement of the tool during operation. The knives are made of high-quality durable plastic and can be resharpened. The carry-out work on the installation of plasterboard can be useful. Very useful cart, which is equipped with a lifting mechanism and a clamp. With a hoist equipped with a winch, you can transport and load sheets of drywall alone without requiring someone else's help. Swiveling wheels make it easy to move the cart in the desired direction, and the winch has a locking device to prevent accidental falling of the lifting mechanism. This means that only one person is needed to work on the drywall sheets, which reduces costs. Japanese hacksaw designed for making cross-angle cuts, has two working surfaces on which the teeth are located with unique geometry, has excellent sharpness, and does not require sharpening for a long time. Specially shaped two-piece handle designed for comfortable operation. Special hardening of the teeth will ensure a long life. The saw, with very good cutting properties and a wide range of applications with a progressive tooth set, is easy to recognize, as it has two sets of teeth on one side, for a cross-angle cut, and the other for a longitudinal cut. The solid cutting disc is used for cutting ceramic and porcelain tiles, as well as marble, stone and glass. It is used as a tool for grinders and tile cutters. Disc has a good working life, is designed for long service. The solid part ensures a clean and even cut without any chips. The disc width of 6 mm allows the disc to be used successfully in everyday life. The perforation provides better cooling of the disc, and the stability of the cut. The base of the disc is made of steel, so it holds the cut of hard materials without the risk of deformation.